Hello friends, Sketchy is back, and today I'm gonna do a speed drawing of a dragon for you. Because one of my internet friends said, hey, yeah, you can draw all this other stuff, but can you draw a dragon? So I'm gonna go super fast. And I'm gonna use my iPad so I can capture my drawing. The first thing I'm gonna do in this drawing is I'm going to draw a gesture. Basically the flow of this dragon body. I'm gonna do like an S curve. I want his head to come back around the other way. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to work on his head. And I like the idea of a head that looks more like an alligator face. So I'm gonna copy something from the internet and I'm gonna drop it on here for reference. And I'm gonna use that for inspiration. And his body is just a long snake. Next, I'm gonna start working on its legs. His legs, and basically, in a lot of animals, they follow the same anatomy as people, but just different proportions. And like some things are stretched out and some things are shorter. But if you understand how to draw people really well, you can use your imagination and change perspective and proportion to create something really cool. Now that the blue drawing is all done, it's time to lock it in with some ink. I'm using ink that has a kind of a rough edge to it. I'm going to use a technique called cross-hatching, and it's basically an inking technique where I start really thin on the top side and I press harder and make a thicker line on the bottom shadowy side. Then I go in and use white ink and I scratch off the ends of these things to create a more smooth transition of light to dark. And that is a dragon. Thank you very much. Mic drop.